Hey everybody, it's Katie Austin.
Hi guys, Guidice.
And today we are doing a Pilates booty and thigh routine because Gia has an amazing ass. I'm kidding. But if you want to get a booty like Gia, then do this routine.
I mean, I'm excited. I love thighs and ass. So
Amazing. All right, should we get right into it? It's quick, so wasting no time. We're going to start in a nice plie squat position right here. Feet diagonally out. Slow plie down and right back up. Great. We're actually going to hit a lot of our thighs in this as well. So you'll start to feel your inner thighs fire up right here. Inhale on the way down and exhale on the way up. Great. I always also love to press my palms together to a little bit of the upper body working.
Oh, so we're working the arms.
Working a little bit of the arms also helps engage the core. Last two. All right, let's stay down that plie and a little bit of a pulse for 8, 7. All right, no equipment needed. You're gonna feel this fast.
Oh, I'm already feeling it.
Already feeling it.
I'm already sore from Pilates, so this is great.
Amazing. We have 4, 3, 2. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna lift one heel, little baby heel left, same little pulse. I love this for the calves, inner thighs. Yeah, already. That's the good thing about Pilates. It's sneaky.
It's so sneaky.
Huh. And switch softly. Great. Chest tall and strong, shoulders down and back. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, taking those feet almost together just like this, just a little bit of room between your feet right there. We are gonna bend one knee and do a single leg squat and come right back up. Beautiful, sitting back with that. Now, a little bit more of the glutes with this workout. Really pushing off that heel. Inhale, exhale, and squeeze. The pressure's on that static leg. Nice work. 2 more.
I'm feeling it.
Last one, let's hold and pulse for 8,
Sneaky.
7, 6, 5, you got it. 4, 3, 2. Now, that leg, take it out, laterally lengthen, and pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5. Great. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's add it together. Single leg squat and lateral toe tap.
She's killing me, guys.
Single leg squat, lateral toe tap. We'll just do 5, 4, 3, you got it. 2, 1, relax. Shake it off. Feeling that?
Oh, I'm feeling
yeah,
it.
no
Yeah.
equipment needed. All right, other leg, static leg, knees a little bit soft right there. Just gently resting the toe, that other foot coming down, single leg squat, taking it right back up. It's really great to control your breath. Awesome. Now, Gia, you were telling me that your favorite workout is Pilates.
It is my favorite workout.
Oh, a reformer or mat Pilates?
Honestly, I'm mainly on like the X-Former,
Okay, wow, nice.
but I went to this place in Hoboken not too long ago. They have elevated Pilates.
Ooh, let's hold
So
it.
they do mat and reformer,
Ooh,
and the mat was so hard.
oh, nice.
They were using like those sliding things.
Yes,
It was
so
crazy.
hard. The sliders, let's take it out. Lateral toe tap, pulse right here. That's the thing. Even just, if you guys don't even have sliders at home, sometimes what I like to do is take like a dish towel and do kind of like the same mimicking the movements. All right, let's take it together and lateral toe tap. 8, 7, 6, almost there. We'll get on the ground after this. 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. Nice work. All right, meet me on your mat. We're gonna work a little bit of the outer thighs now. So lying on your side, take a nice deep breath in. That inner leg is bent at a 90-degree angle, propping yourself upright. And we're gonna start basic with some leg lifts. Great. slowing down the heart rate just a little. Beautiful. We're gonna move through these moves a little bit faster than normal. So stay with me and give me 110%. It's an efficient workout. All right, y'all, we have 3. We have 2. We're gonna hold at the top in 1 and a little baby circle to the back of the room to really get that booty working. Paint that circle with the toe.
Oh,
Feeling
yeah.
it?
Oh
yeah.
It.
Woo! For 5, 4, 3, 2. Leave that foot up. Picking up the hips, holding right here, beautiful. Taking that hand right above head, and we're gonna pull through for a nice crunch as your hips are lifted off the mat. Don't forget to squeeze that back glute. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Shifting on over to the other side. And even that quick little series.
Oh yeah.
It really works.
No, it works.
It really does.
The circles are killer.
Cool, right? All right, same thing on the other side. Take it up and lower. Wonderful. For some reason, the second side always just burns even more.
It really does. It's like your body already knows it's coming.
It really does.
It's also freezing here in New York City right now, and this sun is making it.
It's like a hot Pilates
No,
class right
literally.
now. Yeah, truly. Awesome, 2 more. Let's hold right here, little baby circle to the back of the room. If you're doing this at home, you know it burns. If you're just watching, you're like, that ain't shit. But it is.
No,
It is.
really is.
5, 4, 3, you got it. 2, 1, picking up those hips, holding right there, and crunch through. Beautiful. 5, almost there. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rolling onto your booty right away and coming down into a hip bridge. So let's roll all the way down, coming into a hip bridge. Pushing off the heels, just getting situated right here, tucking under those hips, squeezing the glutes, and slowly lower right back down. Awesome, coming right back up. Hold and squeeze for 4, 3, 2, and down. 2 more, just like that. Slow, controlled hip bridges. Down. Feeling your hamstrings really fire up here. On this next one, we're coming into a hip bridge. We're picking up on our tippy toes, little baby heels, and pulse. Pulse, yes. Awesome for your pelvic floor as well. Really feel it working. And squeeze for 8, 7, 6. Nice work, Gia. 5, 4. Don't go anywhere. 3, 2. We're taking one knee in. Beautiful. Lifting tall and strong. And pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5. Nice work. 2, 1. Knee bend and down. Other side.
I was waiting for you to tell me to lift my leg.
That was perfect form though. I'm seeing you in the back of my eye right now. Gorgeous. We have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Right back down. Gently taking the heels to the mat. Keep your booty high though.
Oh, okay.
Booty high. Little tiny abduction right there for the outer thighs. So the knees are coming out. Little fly, about an inch out and inch together. Little abduction for 8. You got it. If you guys want to add any ankle weights, a band the next time you do this, to really feel it, you can do it.
Yeah. Those ball bangles, crazy.
Oh my gosh, so good. 3, 2, 1, relax. Grabbing onto your knees right here. We're gonna just rock from side to side, stretching out that low back, stretching out your inner thighs. Breathe in. And as you exhale, let's roll all the way up onto the mat in a tabletop position. Now, we're gonna do a little sequence of leg lifts, and then we're gonna let you go. So stay with us right here. Basic sequence, but tried and true, works every single time.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start with a nice donkey kick. Knee driving to the chest and lengthen out nice and long. Great. Inhale to exhale. Beautiful. Try to keep your spine straight. Your neck is nice and neutral. You're looking at the top of your mat. We have 3. Woo, 2. Holding it at the top, same little baby circle that we did before with those leg lifts.
To the back.
But now, great work, you guys.
Are you doing it to the back or the front?
So doing it towards more, just towards the ceiling a little bit to feel that thigh burn up and your glutes start to get nice and perky.
Yeah,
just pretending like you're doing a little circle. Great, you guys. 4, 3, 2. Now flexing that foot. We're gonna do a hamstring curl. So taking and kicking it out, beautiful. Heel to booty kick. Your rest of your body is staying nice and still. Great. We have 5, 4, sorry if you see my dirty socks. 3, 2. Now leaving the knee at a 90-degree angle, press and press to the sky. Nice work, you guys. Foot flex for 8, 7, you got it. 3, 2, 1. Last move in the sequence. Let's end with some fire hydrants. So taking it out to the side. Now the hardest part about fire hydrants, in my opinion, is that the rest of your body is stabilized and you're actually really feeling it through your core as well. Your core is nice and tight. Abs and outer thigh, doing a lot of this work right here. Staying still. We have 4, 2. Should we add a burner at the end? I want to do a little pulse fire hydrant.
All right.
Okay, I lied. It was the last sequence. Here we go. 8, 7, 6. Pulse it out. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Relax. Nice.
Don't forget, we have to do the other side.
Obviously the other side. Take a little breather though. Grab a drink of water. But other side, and that's it.
I mean, that was killer.
Whew. Are you ready to do the other side?
I'm ready.
All right, let's crush it, y'all. Back to that tabletop position. Squaring up those knees. Take a nice deep breath in. Taking the knee to chest and lengthen out nice and long. Now, Gia, you just won Special Forces.
Yeah.
Guys, that's just crazy. Is there anything you did differently to prepare for something like that?
Honestly, I do a mix of Pilates and strength training. And I just wish I upped my cardio a little more. Because you really are running so much. And even just climbing, like you're hiking a lot.
Yeah, let's do those circles.
And the endurance is crazy.
You have to have a lot of stamina.
Oh yeah.
Woo! If you don't know what Special Forces is, it's like this really intense. It's a show where basically you compete for 10 days.
So yeah, you compete against other celebrities for 10 days. It is an individually based competition. But the DS, who are the drill sergeants, they are training you and putting you through a military selection.
Like, yo, that's so hard. All right, let's flex that foot, hamstring curl. And so every day is like different challenges.
Yeah.
Like you're like a SEAL.
About 2 challenges a day.
Woo.
Plus like an intense workout if you're like bad.
Oh my gosh. And she won it. You have to be so mentally tough for that.
Oh my God. I have to say it was more mentally challenging than it was
than anything,
physically.
yeah. All right, let's hold 90-degree angle with that knee and flex that foot, press to the ceiling. We have 6, 5, I'm literally shaking.
I'm shaking too. Shake.
Woo! 3, 2, fire hydrant in 1. Nice work.
I love when you hear the
ribs
crack.
I know. It's like, damn, they need to be worked. Proud of you guys, you're almost there. Give me 3, 2, 1. Let's hold that fire hydrant. Just give me the pulse for the extra burn at the end for 8, 7, 6. Woo! Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Relax.
Wow.
Yay. But it feels good.
It does.
You know?
Like I feel so much better with my day.
Yeah.
I'm like, go get a coffee after
I know.
this.
I
This is
know.
so nice.
And I feel like I really felt that burn in my lower half, but at the same time, I feel energized. You know, it wasn't like too exhausting.
No, I feel energized more than
Good. Yay. Thanks
This
for
is
joining
amazing.
me.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yay, thank
and
you
we
guys.
talked about this yesterday, that Pilates, the smaller movements are so much more efficient.
Yes, definitely.
Maybe
also,
not so much more, but you feel it and you would never think so with those small movements.
and the benefit about it is that you can do it anytime, anywhere. So it's like, no matter where you are in the world, if you're traveling, if you're stuck inside because it's freezing or snowing, it's about to like really snow here in New York. So if you're stuck inside, this is a perfect thing to do, and you can do it with no equipment and feel that burn.
I'm going to do this when I'm stuck in my apartment.
Yay! Nice work. Crushed it.
Thanks, babe.
Thank you guys. See you next time.